The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Woodlands Pavillion, or over the Woodlands, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Tomball, Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, the Woodlands, Spring, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, Splendora, Patton Village, Roman Forest, Woodbranch, Ames, Plum Grove, Kenefick, Woodloch, Dayton Lakes, the Woodlands Pavillion, and Chateau Woods. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.